We're back! Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I made a poll a long time ago, community choices, of 4 options. And this thing won. Suicide Linux. You thought I was gonna call it unalive? What am I? A commentary channel? Now, here we have the script. What's this even? It's a script that basically kills your Linux system if you type in a command wrong. Note this only works on Debian distros, so don't try it on your Arch computer. If you type in Pac-Man, it will say like you mistype a command. Source? You tried it on Arco before. It got even discontinued. Now here is a screenshot of the command. And two certain commands. Now, this one is the command that will not harm it. And this is the one that will destroy it. So, since I don't want this, too boring, let's get this version of Suicide Linux. Now, and type it on the terminal. I'm not sure if I even have Docker installed on this, because you need Docker. Let's check if I have Docker installed. By searching, let's just see. I'll just install Docker. I don't think I have it. Okay. Yep, I do not have Docker. So I'll see you back when Docker's installed. So we can execute Suicide Linux. Okay, now we got Docker. Do we have it? I installed it. Command Docker not found. Snap or apt. As we know, I do not like Snap, so oops, wrong button. I'm just gonna paste the command and get Docker IO. I thought it was just the Docker command. I never actually used Docker in my life. Except in the Arco. Except when I tried Arco. But I legit forgot the command needed to install Arco. Sorry about that, guys. Now, does Docker work? Yes, it does. Great. Oh, yeah. I need to get the command again. Being it back. We're obviously getting the danger mode. The regular mode is boring. Now, let's go in the terminal and just paste the command, Ctrl-Shift-V. There we go. This command, if you type anything wrong, it will kill your Linux system. And according to a comment, even brick your computer if it's on UEFI. But this is BIOS legacy, so I don't think it'll be affected. I tried on Arco though, so let's run Suicide Linux. I'll never call it unalive. Now, so let's just press enter. Oh, okay, I think I need sudo permission denied. You can't stop me. I will unable to find image. Okay, so it's pulling for the GitHub. Okay, neat. So what am I gonna do with this? First of all, I want to try to install the printer drivers, which are set here for my printer. And the second step is install Wine, configure Wine, and run 3D Pinball, a game that worked, a Windows only game. And another thing is to launch Firefox and yeah, I cannot really browse the web with the terminal on Firefox, but just open Firefox, Finder. No, scratch Finder. Just open Firefox, Chrome, and Edge at the same time. No, so we are right now on the root. So first up, let's start with the printer drivers. Can I even survive Suicide Linux? So You got the printer drivers into the tar GZ file. I'm not sure if I have the tar except file, but it's too late to check that now. Tar X F. I'm sure this is how you write it. And put it. What is what? Okay. Let's say that it works. No such file or directory. Huh? Okay, what's... At least we did not die. At least we did not die. We're just gonna go to desktop. And I'll open it from there. No such file or directory. Okay, I think we have to go to Jim Fry. CD home / Jim Fry. I'm a noob. Now... Okay. I give up. I'm just gonna... extract it. I'm gonna cheat here. I can't be a terminal man now. No, but don't worry. I got the ULD file. The Unified Linux drivers. Now can we please go on this? The ULD driver. Oh, come on. Like, I can't even install the drivers. Can I do anything on the... Can I do anything? Can I install the printer driver at least? Go. What? Why is it red? No. Don't tell me I've written an extra S. No, don't tell me I've written an extra S. Ah. Neat. Did I written an extra S? Oh my god, I think I did. I could not survive Suicide Linux, even if my life depended on it. What's this the file under sudo? But it's still there. I'm confused at this point. Suicide Linux is more confusing than it is. No such file or directory. Okay, I'm just gonna restart the command. We're back on Suicide Linux. Let's drag this in here. Because I have no life. Now, no such file or directory. And it turns red again. What does this mean? And why can't I do anything? Sudo. No such file or directory. Okay, forget what I just said. I'm just gonna install... forget this. Get out. Out. Now, I guess after my failures trying to install a simple printer driver, aren't you just type EAS Xerox Phaser 320 because that's my printer name, by the way. So right now I'm just gonna install Wine. I hope there is Wine, and configure it to run 3D Space Spitball. Yay! It's nothing. This is the most broken script I've ever seen. Okay, this did actually kill it or something. But how? Okay, I'm like confused about Suicide Linux at this point. I'm really confused about Suicide Linux. Is it the Ubuntu's fault? Or is it Suicide Linux's fault? Now, there's one thing to find out. Sudo apt install wine. Oops, looks like you misspelled something. What do you mean I misspelled something? I've written apt. I've written apt. Okay. I'm sure this is either broken or something. I don't know. It is Ubuntu. I can't even... I'm not even gonna run these anymore. What is going on? So, Linux is dead. Is it? Or is it? Okay, I cut the Vsauce thing. We're just gonna open a new window. Oh! Cannot find program console. Siri. Does Siri work? Siri works. Can I launch Edge? Can I launch Edge? Can I launch Edge or Google Chrome? Oh yeah, let's just do Google Chrome. Oh, it's gone. That's one thing. That's one garbage gone. That's a garbage gone. Okay, we got Firefox. Firefox still works. Unless I close it. So I'll try not to close it. Nice. Nice. Does iCloud work? Yeah, iCloud does not work. I've literally written the command. What did I do wrong? Okay, what? Yeah, Launchpad works. I'm not sure. Should I restart it? Ubuntu O-Date tool. Yeah, I'm going with the O-Date tool. Yeah, we're finding program Python free. So now did you just start into Linux from scratch? Okay. Can I install packages? Okay, let's see if I can install packages. Oh yeah, the download folder does not exist. Okay, new plan. I'm gonna restart this. My icons are just gone. It's going more and more unstable. Guys, is it becoming the... Don't tell me. Windows 8 experience? Oh, because this Windows 8 on this breaks a lot. So the best Windows that works there is Windows 7, if you don't get it. So, you got a hidden text box. No more internets. No more internet. So when I restart it, yeah, Firefox crashes. Okay, let's explore this on mess before we do it. No, cannot find program, Firefox. And you cannot, okay, the internet connections are not there anymore. What's gone with these? Okay. Well, because I've written sudo abt install wine. This is what I literally used on other Debian / Ubuntu based distros to install it. AirPlay. This is the AirPlay icon and the keyboard. Can I type anything? Yeah, I guess it's gone. All the icons are gone. Let's just restart it. Yeah, even the program you're on is gone. Starting with a nice... Okay, it has a nice feeling. It looks more like an old version of macOS. Or am I just capping at this point? Okay, what's this? What is this? I don't understand a thing here. X. Oh, it's KDE wallet service. Okay, I'm just gonna restart this. I can't do it with this mess anymore. So I just restarted it, and now we are on Grub Rescue. Help. You can't even help here. What you're supposed to do. I never found out the reason why Grub Rescue exists. Anyway, in conclusion, this unemployed guy, did not manage to survive Suicide Linux while his system being deleted by just trying to install Wine. So, I'd say thank you guys for watching, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you yet in another video. And by the way, I'm not calling this unalive Linux because I'm not a commentary YouTuber.